Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Tip Nest. In today's video, I'll show you an easy way to save your favorite locations using Google Maps. It's super helpful for keeping track of places you love or want to visit. Let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from the Google Play Store. Once you have the app open, navigate to the location you want to save by entering the address in the search bar or zooming in on the map to find it. When you've found the location, tap and hold on the map until a pin appears. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the name of the place along with the option to save. Tap on Save. Now, you can either create a new list for this location or add it to an existing one. You can give your list a name that's easy to remember, like Favorites or Must Visit. And that's it. You've successfully saved your location on Google Maps. It's a quick and convenient way to organize and keep track of your favorite spots or important places. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.